Namaste. So today I'm going to show you the different types of Surya Namaskara, which is sun salutation, how to do, what to do, and with the alignment. So first I will demonstrate with the alignment, and you have to do accordingly. So in Surya Namaskara, alignment is very important. So how to do and how to start. Coming top of the mat first, both fit together. This is very important, where you take care of your knees straight, and we are coming this part, which is your pelvis. Your pelvis, your tuck has to tuck in, which means you have to bring your posterior and tucking your tailbone in and straight there. Now from here you need to rotate your shoulder. Once you able to rotate your shoulder, you could able to feel that you are completely on ground. Your both feet is on ground. So tucking your tailbone in, tucking means your posterior pelvis movement, rotate your shoulder and together. Stay there, look front. Now from here bringing both hands in Namaskara. Now with inhalation, I'll bring my both hands up with the open hands, bringing both hands front. Now inhale and slightly arch without moving my knees here and there. Slightly I'm gonna be arch my back. So you can see that how I'm arching. So not too much arch, and this with exhalation. Here also very important, I am coming with the lengthened spine. As you can see, my spine is lengthened and coming down. Now the challenge here is some people cannot able to come till here. So what they have to do in that case, slowly they can bend their knees, slowly micro bend, and then keep your both hands next to your feet. That's the how you have to come here. When you bend your knees, you can able to see that your thigh and chest is coming together, very closer. So bending your knees and close there. Now from here, don't try to take your head towards the shin bone or your towards the knee. Stay there as much. Try to lift your hips up. Stay there. Now inhale from there, bring the right leg as much as back. So we are coming to Ashwasanchalanasana. Now the very important part is here, your ankle and knee. This has to be aligned 90 degree in the straight line. Stay there, look front. Now with exhalation, bringing other leg back. Now this is very important part. This is called Dandasana. How to do Dandasana? Lifting your hips as much as up. Your scapula, your shoulder is also lifted up, hips up, and look down. Stay there for the 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly from here, keeping your knees on the floor. On the mat, with exhalation, I am bringing my chest and chin. So as you can see, I am keeping my chest and chin. My hips are up here. Now inhale, slightly you need to scoop up. You don't have to scoop this much. Slightly come till the navel. Stay here. Now with exhalation, press your palm and coming to the Parvatasana. This is called mountain pose or Parvatasana. Stay there, feet together, make sure. Now again we are bringing the right leg between both palms. If you can't able to bring rightly till here, that's okay. Keep it, with the help of your hand, keep it in between your both palm and keep your left knees on the floor. Look front, Ashwasanchalanasana, toes outward. Now bringing other leg front. Now from here again you can bend your knees slightly and chest and thigh closer, and try to lift your hips up. Don't arch your back. Stay your the straight chest and look down. Now from here, inhale. Again the very important part is lengthen your spine. With this straight spine you have to come up, arch your back and exhale. Namaskara. Now the same sun salutation I will show you in the flow, how you have to do in the flow. So when you are practicing, make sure 3 to 4 times you have to practice sun salutation, Surya Namaskara. It has a tremendous benefit. It opens up entire your body, each and every joint. The sun salutation is the one process which actually works each and every joints of your body. It considered one of the best warm-up to before moving into the asana. So sun salutation, I would consider you have to do, must do before practicing the asana minimum 3 to 4 times. So I have shown you how to do with that alignment. Now I will show you in the flow. So let's do it, how it comes on the flow. So coming top of the mat, both sit together, standing posture, tuck your tailbone in, rotate your shoulder and stay there. Both hands in namaskar. With inhalation, bring both hands up, slightly arch. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold for the 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Keeping knees on the floor. Exhale, chest tension. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bringing the right leg. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Namaskar. Now the left side. Hold it for the 5 count. Now slowly with inhalation, keeping knees on the floor. With the exhalation, chest tension. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Namaskar. Thank you.